it's about a day later from yesterday. We had a little window of beautiful weather and installed the bees, and as you might recall, one of the queens was dead and all of her attendants, they were dead. So the bee store I went to is, of course, they always send a few extra queens. And he mentioned that about 1 in 100 or 1 in 200. It's pretty rare to have that happen, like I said. So that was a surprise. So I left the dead queen in between to leave her scent in there so the bees would stay in. But this morning, around 9 o'clock, I took out that queen cage. So now they're looking for a queen, hopefully. And I have the new queen here in my pocket. And I'm going to install her in a minute. Yeah, so we were special. We got a special opportunity to replace the queen. And I realized after that probably the easiest way to install a queen over a drawn comb is to just use a spacer and lay the queen on top of the frames. So I'm going to take this, open this up. Yep, they're down in there. They're not really up high at all today. I have a feeder in here. I'm going to take this feeder out. All right, we'll set that aside for now. So now I basically just have to place the queen in, and usually what you do is you watch the behavior of the bees and make sure that they're going to accept the queen. And really, we don't have much of a choice here. We have a queen, and the only thing I could do to make them accept her is wait another day or two. If they look like they're going to attack the queen, who is in here, we'll do that. Now there's a marshmallow in the end here. I took the cork out and I put a marshmallow in the end. That's another trick to get them to let her out in a nice fashion. So I'm just going to place this on top of the cluster and see what happens. I'm going to place it face down, maybe on its side here. Let's see what they do here. So they're smelling the queen. Let me just shut that. Crawling over the queen. Let them kind of see what's going on here. Okay, they're definitely reacting to the queen. You can see that. See that? Okay, wow, there's like a cluster up above there. That's interesting.
Jack, get a little closer to see. Can you see okay?
Yeah, so they look like they're fanning and
wow, that's
hopefully appreciating the queen. Yeah. I don't see them being too angry. Well, I hope they like her. Really, they go toward the queen and they cluster around her. You could also spray a little water, honey water in there to kind of get them to be distracted by some syrup. So they lick each other, lick the syrup off each other. All right, so that's that. Here's hoping that they accept that queen. I have a suspicion that they will. Yeah, I don't see angry behavior. I see buzzing and flapping wings, and we'll leave them alone now. All right, that's the inner cover. I'm going to place the feeder back in. There's one other thing I'm going to try to do while I'm here, which is there's a cluster of bees in here. See the cluster in the corner? They're cold. They're cold. They couldn't get out last night, so I'm going to try to shake those bees in. Well, yeah. Let's see. Okay, they're in there. They'll warm up, hopefully, and start going down into the colony like they should. The sooner I get the lid on, the better. It's kind of cold today, but they have enough bees to stay warm. So thank you. Thank you for watching. We'll hope for the best this time. And like I said, the lid needs to go on. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your help. As you can see, it's really windy, and in fact I got a warning of a gale warning last night, so I'm just going to tie these down for the wind, and also because I want to squeeze it on these cracks so there's less, like a little bit less air whistling through the hive at this time. It's chilly. It's April, and the weather is it's never nice every day. There's always nice days, like it's going to be in the 70s on Thursday, but it is, so this will squeeze this down a little bit and help keep it from tipping over if it were wanting to do that. Thanks for your help. All right, over and out.